Hey, what's up you guys? Real Renee here, and before I get into today's workout, I wanted to come back to you guys as promised to update you on the Nutrisystem. So, Nutrisystem for the win, totally. Like, I just reordered again for another week, and then I'm going to be done. But here's why. So, I was on a weight loss plateau to where I lost 20 pounds and then boom, I couldn't lose any more. I switched up my the way I was eating, I switched up my exercising, but again, I just could not lose weight. So I was like, you know what, let me try something like Nutrisystem to see if it'll help like move me along. And when I say it did, it did. I self-ordered mine. I didn't get on like any kind of plan or anything like that. But here's the thing, it kept me within a healthy calorie deficit, and I'm down 3 pounds. Okay, so that means I'm down 23 pounds altogether. But anyways, Nutrisystem, the food is amazing. The snacks is good. You stay full. They give you all the protein that you need. They're watching like the sugar intake that you're, intaking each day, which is very important. And I mean, some days I was missing a snack, I was missing a meal because I was still so full. So I was like, you don't be hungry, I guess, like people think, because you're eating smaller portions. But then again, I've been eating right for the last 3.5 months. So it was just like, I don't know, I just on a plan now, if that makes sense. But anyways, if you are trying to kickstart a diet or weight loss, or you're like me or was like me on like a weight loss plateau, then Nutrisystem most definitely is for the win. I mean, I'm down an extra 3 pounds, okay, in 7 days. I've never done anything like a Nutrisystem or a Weight Watchers or anything like that, so it works. That's it, that's all. Till next time, I'll holler at you guys later. Bye.